Let's go.
Good morning, you all. Hope that you all are having a blessed day today. As you can see, I'm in the field. I'm out here doing my applications. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to let you know what I'm running into, because I do understand a lot of people that watch this channel are homeowners. The only lawns that you're going to see is yours. The difference with me is I'm out in the field, so I'm seeing some bad lawns and I'm seeing some good lawns. So I'm gonna give you a little heads up of some things I'm running into, so that can be able to hopefully prepare you to get ahead of the curve, so that you don't run into those same problems.
Let's go.
Now, when it comes to weeds, some of the weeds that are out there now and are still lingering around is your winter weeds. So your weeds like your henbit, your chickweed, your hairy bittercress. If you haven't taken care of those weeds, please do so, because they will drop seeds and you will have more weeds next year. So I'm seeing winter weeds, and the one main weed that I'm seeing that typically comes up around this time once we warm up is dandelions. Now, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, because I did a video that is talking about dandelions, the process of dandelions, and how these dandelions can get spread into your lawn. So if you do see dandelions in your lawn, more than likely you're going to see one over here, one over there, just something that you can be able to spot spray. Majority of the products that you're going to see in your stores, they'll be able to take care of dandelions as well. You just want to spot spray those things. Unless you have a whole lawn full of them, then you want to blanket spray them, meaning you want to spray your whole entire lawn. So dandelions is the one weed that I'm seeing a lot of. Another thing too, which is why you all need to be subscribed to the channel, I did a video last year that was basically talking about summer weeds. Now, I didn't go over all of the weeds, but I went over a lot of them that you will see in your lawn. And one weed that I mentioned is wild violets. That's another thing that I'm starting to see in people's lawns. Now, if you do have wild violets in your lawn, and you do have a cool season lawn, meaning you have tall fescue, perennial ryegrass, Kentucky bluegrass, and you want to just go to the store, you don't want to order anything online, Ortho is the product that you need to use to be able to take care of the wild violet. Just know, you're probably going to have to do a couple of applications to be able to get that out of your lawn. On the flip side, if you have a warm season lawn like Bermuda grass, one of the products that you want to use is Image. Same thing applies. You're probably going to have to do a few applications. That's okay. You can be able to use those things on your lawn. But if you have not seen that video, make sure that you go and check it out after you get done watching this one. Because a lot of the weeds this summer that you may struggle with, I'll talk about those weeds in that video, and I'll let you know what store-bought products you can purchase to be able to get those weeds out, and what professional products you can be able to purchase to get those weeds out. So make sure you check out the video. Subscribe, then check out the video. Another thing that people are going to be doing right now is fertilizing their lawn. Now, I always tell people this: you don't have to go out and go buy anything new or go buy the latest, greatest fertilizer that just came out. Just use what you have. Just be moderate when you're using what you have at this time. You don't want to start slamming your lawn with a bunch of nitrogen. Here's why. As you can see, it's sunny outside. It's starting to warm up. It's springtime. We're starting to get a lot of rain, and we're going to start getting a lot of humidity. You know what comes with that, right? Lawn funguses. So you don't want to be pushing your lawn aggressively by applying a whole bunch of nitrogen, because you can induce a fungus in your lawn by doing that. Now, when I fertilize a lawn and I'm actually putting down a liquid, I'm spoon feeding the lawn. So I'm putting down the smallest amount of nitrogen on the lawn, because the only thing that you're looking for is really color, right? And if I'm using a granular, I'm not doing any more than a 1/4 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. I'm not trying to push the lawn. Only thing you're looking for is just color. And since you're looking for color, let me show you something. So this is one of the products that I would use in the springtime. I would even use this in the summer. This is Simple Lawn Solution 600. If you're looking for color, this is something that you want to get. And I'm not trying to sit up here and say, hey, go buy this, go do this, go do that. A lot of people know about Simple Lawn Solutions. If you don't know about them, go ahead and check them out. But this is the product that I would use a lot of when I'm trying to get my lawn money green. Now it's a springtime. You've already been through the fake spring. You're already getting your spring flush, your spring growth. People who have Bermuda grass lawns, your lawns are just now starting to wake up. Just a couple of things that you need to remember. Don't be cutting your grass with dull blades. Make sure you clean up under your mowers, because you don't want to be tracking things from last year into your lawn this year. Just make sure that you have all of your maintenance on your equipment ready to go, and get out there and enjoy mowing your lawn. As always, I thank you all for tuning in, and I hope this information was helpful to you all. I got to get back to it because I got work to do. I thank you all. Y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.